Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you rice flour and rice eliminates wrinkles and fine lines naturally. You will get rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and you will get rid of sagging skin naturally with very simple ingredients at home from your kitchen. You will get rid of any kind of skin related problems that are related to age. And if you do look around 40 to 50 and 60 years old, this magical remedy is for you. It eliminates wrinkles and fine lines, wrinkles around mouth and eye wrinkles, laugh line wrinkles, forehead wrinkles, any kind of wrinkles on your face or hands. This magical remedy is for you. Rice will eliminate it naturally and will get you rid of it 100%. It's working. The first thing we need is rice, and we need around 4 teaspoons of rice like so, and place it into a food processor or a grinder to grind it fine into a powder. Then in a clean mixing bowl we need to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of olive oil. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of olive oil. Then we need Vaseline, and Vaseline is one of the things that's super effective in getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines naturally. Add 1 full teaspoon of Vaseline. And mix these two ingredients together very well. As you can tell, my friends, we get a cream paste like so. Now we need to add on it 1 teaspoon of the rice that we grinded fine into a powder like so, my friends. Grind it super fine, and add 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Mix again. After you mixing and combining all the ingredients together like so, and we get this magical cream paste, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin, apply it on your hands, on face, on neck, any place that you do have wrinkles, and leave it overnight. In the next morning you will be amazed with the result. It removes the wrinkles and fine lines naturally, and you will get an amazing results, my friends.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.